Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of a trading and P2P crypto exchange website. So this is the website that is completely similar to Binance, and you can create this website within just 10 minutes. So in this video, first of all, I will give you the demo of this website. Its name is Vinance, and this is the latest version script of Vinance that we will use to make this website. So viewers, in this video I will show you this website. I will give you a complete demo of its user panel, its admin panel, and then at last we will make this website from scratch, and I will show you how you can create this crypto trading website within just 10 minutes using our Vinance script. So if you want to purchase this script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us to purchase this script. And if you need this complete end-to-end website, we also make the complete end-to-end websites. You can contact us and we will build this site for you. And if you need any type of investment website, order grabbing, PTC, e-commerce website, all type of websites are available. You can contact us and we will build that site for you. So viewers, if you want to purchase this script, we will give you at a very low price from market, and we will also provide you complete support. So now let's start our video without wasting much more time. So first of all, you can see its amazing home page, and this is a text that is completely changeable from admin. Here you can see there is a sign up option, and you can sign up to this website. Here you can also upload the blogs related to your analysis or other crypto related activity. You can also upload blogs from admin panel. Here you can see all the cryptocurrencies pairs that are on your website, and you can see all their latest prices. Here you can see all your crypto pairs. Here you can see all your fiat pairs. So now let's explore some other features of this site. Here is why to use this website. So let me tell you that you can completely change this logo, whatever is on your website. You can completely change these things from admin panel. And if you're a beginner, you don't need to worry about anything. You can change these things simply just changing the text from admin panel. So here you can see how this works. Sign up to Vinance, verified your account, deposit, buy crypto, trade. Here you can see get started option. Here you can see all our cryptocurrencies, latest cryptocurrency on the website, and you can explore this website. This is also with affiliate program like Binance, so you can also set referral commissions. And this is a footer section that you can completely change. And if you want to use it in any of your local language, so you can use it, and you can insert languages from admin panel. So let me show you. This is the support trading and P2P buying and selling. So user can directly go to spot trading options. So here you can see this is a support trading, and user can buy and sell different coins. So now let me go back to home page and let me show you. This is a P2P options. So user can directly go to P2P and buy and sell crypto on this website. And here user can sell and buy its cryptocurrency from here, buy USDT or sell USDT. Any other coin user want to buy, sell, whatever user want to do, user can do it using these P2P options. Here is cryptocurrencies. So user can see all the cryptocurrencies on the website by going to cryptocurrencies option. This is the about us section. So user can view the about us section, and here is contact page. So user can contact to the admin of website. So using these details, user can contact to admin. So viewers, now let's go back to dashboard. So here you can see I have already logged in my account on this website. So I will directly go to my dashboard, and here you can see there is option of dark mode or light mode. So I'm directly going to dashboard because I've already logged in my account in order to save my time. So here user can see all its open orders, account is newly created, completed orders, cancelled orders, total trades. Here user can see all its wallet balance in different currencies. So user can see all its different currencies over here. So these are all different currencies. From here user can deposit money by using any of currency or any of the gateway. Here user can withdraw user money from here. So here is manage order option. So user can see all its manage order, completed order history over here. This is the trade history. So user can see all its trade history. This is a P2P center. So user can buy and sell cryptocurrencies using this P2P center. Here user can see running trade, completed trades, new advertisement, manage advertisement, new payment methods, manage payment method. User can from here. So here is all feedbacks. So each and everything is here, and user can see all its details over here. Here you can manage the wallet, so you can create different wallets from this option. So this are all your wallets, so you can see them. And here you can see your funding wallet from here, spot and funding wallet. So these are funding and spot wallets. Here user can see deposit history, withdrawal history, my affiliation. So user can also earn money through affiliate marketing program. This is your affiliate link, so user can refer different people to earn money through referrals. This is transaction history, so user can see all its transaction history, get support, security option, log out. So let's go back to dashboard, and now the most important section is trade section. So now let's see how we can trade on this website. So from this section, user can trade different cryptocurrencies on this website. So here you can see that trading view graph is here. So this market limit, you can trade on stop limit, you can set your stop losses, limit trading here. So you can buy BTC or any cryptocurrency you want to buy from here. So you can buy it and you can sell it. So it's completely similar to Vinance. So you can trade, buy and sell your cryptocurrencies on this website from here. So it's completely simple, you can buy and sell it. So if you want to change cryptocurrency, you can easily change cryptocurrency from here. So this is completely trading view graphs from where you can change cryptocurrencies and you can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies. Over here you can see all your order book, order, sell, buy and sell orders over here. So these are all your buy and sell orders, and here you can see all your latest markets that are on your websites. So now viewers, this is the complete overview of its user panel. Now we will go directly to its admin panel, and let's see how we can control this website from admin panel. So now I will go to my admin login page. So this is our admin login page of this Vinance website. So these are the demo details that are entered. So now I will click on login and it will log me into my admin panel. So viewers, we have successfully logged into our admin panel of this website. So it has a very amazing look that you can see over here. So first of all, you can see your total users on the website. You can see active users, email unverified user, mobile unverified, total trades, total cryptocurrencies on the website, P2P ads options. So everything is here, and you can see how amazing its admin panel is. From here, admin can completely control this website. So there is manage order option, so you can see or manage all the open order or order history, trade history from here. This is manage P2P option. So here you can see you can manage the running trades, P2P trades over here. So if you want to approve or reject different things, you can see the details over here by going to details option. So you can see reported trades, completed trades, manage. You can manage ads on this website, and you can also insert ads from admin panel. So here you can see all the ads on your website. So you can see each and everything over here. So you can list these ads from here, and users can also list these ads. So this is the payment window section. So you can list payment methods by going to payment methods. So there are many payment methods available that you can list. So you can see all the payment methods, and you can list new payments method by going to new payment method. So fill these details and you can add a new payment method from this section. So this is the manage cryptocurrency section. So let's go to cryptocurrency, and from here you can list any cryptocurrency you want. So you can see all the existing cryptocurrencies over here. Now if you want to import cryptocurrencies, you can import it from CoinMarketCap, and you can list your own cryptocurrencies from by filling these simple details. So this is how you can list a cryptocurrencies. Let's go to fiat currencies, and from here you can list the fiat currencies, and you can view all the existing fiat currencies, and you can turn them, disable them or enable them. It completely depends on you. Here you can manage the markets that are on your website, and you can list your new market or disable the existing markets. From manage coin pair, so you can create a coin pair from this section. Just go to coin a new pair, and you can list a new pair by filling these details. This is a manage user section, so you can manage all the users on the website. Let's go to details, and you can add balances to their account. You can subtract balance from their account. You can log in as user. Whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. So it's completely simple and easy to manage website. Here you can go to manage referrals, and you can set up affiliate bonus or commission on trade or deposit commission from. You can set it up from here. Here is payment gateway option, so you can manage automatic payment gateways. So you can manage automatic payment gateways. So you can choose 20 plus, 25 plus automatic gateways, You can edit them, you can use them. So you can see all the worldwide accepted gateways are here, and you can, if you want to create a manual gateway, just go to add new gateway and you can create a manual gateway from here. This is a deposit option, so from here you can approve or reject the deposit requests of users. Just go to details, and from here you can approve or reject the deposit requests of users. This is the withdraw section, so you can create new withdraw methods, approve or reject the pending withdrawal requests of users. Support ticket, you can contact with users on your website, and you can solve the issues of users. This is the report section, so you can see all the transaction report, login history, notification history, each and everything here. This is a general setting, so you can change the name of website, you can change the currency on website, symbol, you can change the site based colors from here. So it's completely simple. You can manage the cron jobs from system configuration, so you can turn on of different settings such as user registrations, agree policy, force SSL password, KYC verification, you can turn it on off, email verification, email notification. So each and everything is manageable from here. So you can manage the pusher chart configuration settings, charges settings, so you can set up different charges on your website, on trading, deposit, whatever charges you want to set. Here you can set up your wallet settings, you can manage your social credential, you can change your currency data provider from CoinMarketCap to any other. So this is a logo and favicon option, so you can change the logo of this website and you can insert your own logo. Just click on here and you can easily change logo and favicon on the website. From extensions, you can insert multiple extensions on your website such as Facebook, Live Talks and other extensions. From language, you can change the language of website, you can manage SEO directly here, you can make a KYC from forms directly from KYC settings, you can manage email settings, SMS settings, notification settings from here. So you can manage the template, pages, and this is a manage section, the more important options. So you can edit each and every section that are on your website. For example, I want to edit a footer section, so just go to footer section, and here you can completely edit and change the footer section. Similarly, you can change each and every section that are on your website. You can change images, whatever is on that section, you can change it directly from here. So each and everything is changeable from admin. You don't need any coding knowledge to change everything. So viewers, this is the complete overview of this website. Now before moving towards our installation part, now we will see how we can install this script on our domain and hosting within just 5 minutes. So before going towards that, I would request you to do like and subscribe to this channel and like our video. Now let's go and let's install this script on our hosting. So let me tell you that this script will work fine on any normal hosting, so you don't need to purchase VPS or expensive hosting. It will work on any of hosting. So now let's go and install this script. So viewers, first of all, to install this Vinance latest version script, what you have to do is you have to log into your hosting hPanel or cPanel that you are using. So I'm using Hostinger, so I will log into my hPanel. So as you can see, I am already logged in. So I will directly go to File Manager. So you also have to go to your File Manager option. So let it be open, and then we will start our main work to deploy this website. So it is opening our public HTML. So here you have to go to public HTML and you have to do all the work in public HTML, but I will do all the work in my subdomain. So here I've already uploaded the script, so you can see the amazing size of this website, which is only 30 MB, and in 30 MB you will get a very huge crypto site which is completely similar to Binance. So now we will install this script. To purchase this script, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You will get the script on a very low price, and if you need complete end-to-end website, we will also provide you complete end-to-end website where you don't have to do nothing. We will do all the work. So here you have to upload this file, and I already uploaded it. So now just click on it. After uploading, just go to extract, and I will extract this file into my subdomain. So it is extracting our file. So here you have to go to this files folder and you have to select all of them, but before selecting them we have to give permissions in core. So I'm going to bootstrap, go to cache, and I will give my permissions to install this script. So I'm going back here, so let it give permissions to our some other folders. So app folder is here, and give it a permission. framework is here. Let it give permission to this folder as well. Here's logs, and all the permissions are completed. Now one more is remaining. Here's storage. We have to give permission to this folder as well. Now I'm giving all the permissions are completed. Now we'll go back and we'll transfer all these folders to our root directory. So I'm moving all of them to my root directory. So all the folders are moved successfully, and now we will delete this Vinance script from here, from this hosting, and now you have to go to your subdomain that you are installing it on. So I'm going to my subdomain. So here you can see we are on our subdomain, and I will just type /install. So viewers, and now here what we have to do is just click on I agree, next step. Here all the requirements are passed. Go to next step. Now we have to create the database for our website. So now I'm going to Hostinger, and its complete installation is easily simple and automatic installation. So I will create database for this Vinance. So I will create database with name Vinance. Just copy this, paste it over here, give your password and click on create. So it will create your database. After creating it, I will just copy this name and I will just paste it over here in this section. Give your admin credentials over here, and after give your email and just click on install now. So viewers, here you can see that our script has installed successfully. Now just click on go to website and it will take you to your Vinance website. So here you can see that our website has created successfully, and this is our website, and it's completely new. You can see that it is uploaded on our domain. So you can see we just created this website within 4 to 5 minutes. So this is how you can create a website, trading website similar to Binance within 5 minutes. So it's complete ready-made website. You just have to install it on your hosting and it will work on any normal hosting. So viewers, now if you want to buy the source code or if you need any details about the site, just feel free to contact us. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us on WhatsApp and we will provide you the details about the site. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends who need this type of website. And you can contact us if you need any type of website. We will build this for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel and be happy.